This graph just looks a little scary. Otherwise, the set is not very difficult one. It's just a little laborious, a boring kind of a thing. So each of the 23 boxes represent a product manufactured by either Alpha, the blue one, Bravo, the red one, Charlie, the vertical hashing. This is the diagonal, this is horizontal. The area of the box is proportional to the revenue. So the area, okay, is the revenue, and the center represents the product popularity. So the product popularity is marked on the x-axis 0 to 20, and the market potential score, the market potential is on the y-axis. So if I take a center, this means the product popularity is 8 and the market potential is 9, and the area there is going to be the revenue. Now the companies are classified into 4 categories based upon a combination of scores on product popularity and market potential. So if you look at this grid, the 4 categories are promising, blockbuster, doubtful, no hopeful. The product popularity is greater than 10. So product popularity 10. So you divide the graph into 2 equal parts vertically. Greater than 10 is either going to be promising or blockbuster. Promising ones are whose market potential is greater than 10. So market both greater than 10, this is promising. Okay, to the right but potential is less than 10, blockbuster. Promising, blockbuster. Keep that in mind, which grids. Okay, less than 10 on product popularity, the left side. On the top is the doubtful. This is doubtful and this will be the no hope. No hope. Promising, blockbuster, doubtful, no hope. This slide done. So let's go to the next one. Before we forget that, let us quickly mark that up again. So grid, left, right, top, bottom, promising, blockbuster, doubtful, no hope. Right, and now there are clues, 8 of them, that's quite a lot. Okay, so let's go turn by turn. Alpha and Bravo had the same number of products in the blockbuster category. So we come to blockbuster. So let's see which are Alpha, the ones that are known. This is Alpha, this is Alpha. Okay, the diagonal one. This is Bravo, this is Bravo, and this is Charlie. And it says Alpha and Bravo had the same number. Now some markings have gone. It was written that I did not read that. Some markings are gone. So we have to identify which it is. So this is talking about the number of products. Alpha and Bravo has same. So Alpha has 2. This is also Charlie, vertical. Right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 altogether. Alpha and Bravo have equal. Out of 7, Charlie already has 2. So what is left over for Alpha Bravo would be just maximum 5. So if they are maximum 5, they being equal, they can't be 3 and 3. They can be 2 and 2 or 1 and 1. We already know Alpha has 2. So that means Bravo will also have 2. So I'm writing this down here. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. Alpha will have 2, Bravo will have 2. That's 4. So Charlie will have the rest 3. Set, right? So 1, 2 we have. Bravo will have one of these 2. Charlie will have one of these 2. Okay, these are already known to us, right? Okay. Charlie had more products than Bravo but fewer products than Alpha in no hope. So in no hope, coming to no hope, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them and more and fewer. So Charlie had more products than Bravo but fewer products than Alpha. Okay. And we already know that Alpha has this is Alpha, this is Alpha, this is Bravo. Okay, in no hope, and 3 of them markings are lost. So Bravo is definitely at least 1, Alpha is at least 2, all three are different, and the total is only 6. So if you know this from your LR, you should know the total 6 and all three are different. The only way they could be is 1, 2 and 3. The total becomes 6. So writing it in the order Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. Bravo has only 1, which is already identified. Charlie has 2. So out of these remaining things, Charlie has 2 and Alpha has 3. 1 out of this is for Alpha. So this is also done. Now each company had equal number in the promising. So that's just 3. So each one has 1 each and none of them we know. All markings are gone. Easy one. Charlie did not have any product in doubtful. Charlie did not have, well, Alpha had 1 product more than Bravo. So the total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7 will be split between Alpha and Bravo. Alpha having 1 more. So that is 4 and 3. Charlie nothing. So let's see what do we have. We already have, this is Alpha, this is Alpha, this is Bravo, this is Bravo. So 1, 2, 3, 4 done. 3 are left. So Alpha will get 2 and Bravo will get 1 out of these 2 and 1. Okay, so this is also fairly done. So the first 4, if you look at it, is all about the number of products. And from 5, 6, 7, 8, if you look, all of them is about the revenue. So we need to have the revenue now, the same revenue, right, in all the 4 categories. So let's write the revenue. So this grid, if you look, this side is 3 and this is also 3. 3 3s are 9. Whereas this is a 2 2s are 4. So I'm writing the revenue in this. This is just 1. And this is 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. You know that 1, it might take some time, half and half, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. This is 1 into 1, 1, and this is a little larger blocks, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so this 6 is vertical, this 6 is horizontal. Okay, so this seems like 2 into 1, 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So let's come to this. This looks as a 2, 1, 1, this looks 4, this looks 3, 3 into 1. Okay, this is 2, I don't know if it's visible, 2, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 3 2s are 6, so this is a 6, this is also a 6, this also looks like a 6, this is a 4, this is a 9. So these are the revenues of everything. As I said, it's a little tedious and boring one, right? Now, Bravo had higher revenue than Alpha in the doubtful category. So let's go to doubtful. Now Bravo has a higher revenue than Alpha. So let's see, Bravo already has 6 and 2, 8. Okay, and Bravo will need 1 more. So if Bravo, let's start with if then. If Bravo has 1, so 6, 2, 8 and 1, 9. Then Alpha will have all the rest. So Alpha would have more, but it says Bravo. So 1 is going to go to Alpha. Let's take 6. 6 and 2, 8. 8 and 6, 14. 14, if 6 belong to Bravo, Bravo would have 14. Let's total Alpha. 9, 10, 10 and 4, 14 and 1, 15. Then Alpha would have 15. Again, this won't match up. So even the 6 will go to Alpha. And then the B is left is 9. So let's write the revenues also. 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 9, 17 is for this guy. 9, 10, 10, oh sorry, not 9. 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 6, 11. 11 and 1, 12. So this is 12 and Charlie has 0. So this is the revenue. So this is also done. Charlie had a higher revenue than Bravo in Blockbuster. So let's come to Blockbuster. Charlie and Bravo we are checking. Charlie has a higher revenue than Bravo in Blockbuster. So now let's retake. Charlie has this and this 8. And Charlie has to get 1 more out of these 2. Out of these 2, Alpha is done. Okay, out of these 2, 1 will go to Charlie, 1 will go to Bravo. Okay, seems easy. 6 and 2, 8. Okay, and where are the Bravo ones? Bravo currently has 6, Okay, so now if Bravo gets 9, then 9 and 6 will become 15. Charlie will be left with 6, 7, 8, 8 and 4, 12. So Charlie is not getting more. So the 9 cannot go to Bravo. So if 9 cannot go to Bravo, this will go to Bravo. Bravo is going to have only 10. Okay, this will go to Charlie. Charlie has 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 9, 17. And the rest is for alpha, 2 of them. So 3 and 6, 9 is for alpha. Seems good enough, yeah. This done, second last, Bravo and Charlie had the same revenue from products in No Hope. No Hope, Bravo and Charlie had the same revenue, and Bravo has 4. This is fixed, only 4, that's it, okay. So Charlie should also have 4. So Charlie will have 2 out of these 3. So this is definitely Charlie, and one of them will be Charlie. And one of them will be alpha. Now I don't know which one. So I'll just leave here alpha and Charlie. They can interchange here. I don't know whether it matters. The product potentials are different for both, but the revenue is same. So this has a 4 revenue, 3 and 1, 4, and 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7 revenue. So, okay, so looks cool. Alpha and Charlie had the same total revenue considering all the products. So now if I take all the products, alpha, beta, Charlie for all, this saying alpha and Charlie are the same, and this is the only one which is left. So alpha I am totaling up, 12. 12 and 7, 19. 19 and a 9. That's a 28. So currently I have alpha at 28. And let's total Charlie 0, 4, 4 and 21. So currently alpha has 7 more. So here Charlie should have 7 more. Then they would become equal. So Charlie should have 7 more. The difference 7 is only in this. So this is Charlie. So this becomes 30. Okay, and this is alpha. 2, this becomes also 30. Both are equal now. And so this is obviously for Bravo. I don't know if needed, but let's total it up. 17 and 7, 21. 21 and 10, 31. 31 and 3, 34. Here alpha is 2, 9 and 3. Let's go to the questions. Considering all companies' products, which product category had the highest revenue? Considering all the company's products, so we are talking of all company, product category had the highest revenue, and the options are no. So let's see. So we need to total it up. This looks at 9, 12, 14, only 14, very small number. This looks at 27, 36, a decently large number. This is small number, and this is 29. Is it 29? So 36 is Blockbuster. So Blockbuster. Which of the following is the correct sequence of number of products of Bravo? So look at Bravo. No Hope and Doubtful. So No Hope, Doubtful, 1, 3. So it should start with 1, 3. So this is ruled out. This is ruled out. Then there's 1, chuck it. So Blockbuster, how much does it have in Blockbuster? 2 or 3? Blockbuster, Bravo has 2. Bravo has 2 in Blockbuster. So this is what it has. Okay, and Promising everyone had 1 only. If you remember, that is Promising everyone had 1. Okay, third question. Which of the following is not correct? Let's go turn by turn, or let's do one simple this. If the smallest box on the grid is equivalent to a revenue of 1 crore, so that 1 is 1 crore, then what is the approximate total revenue of Bravo? We had seen this. We had totaled it up. I said we don't know whether it will be useful or no. Bravo is 34 crores. So great. So let's see this. Which of the following statement is not correct? Alpha's revenue from Blockbuster was same as Charlie from Promising. Alpha, Blockbuster, Alpha, Charlie, Promising. They are same. So, oops, was same. This is correct. This is correct. So this is not my answer. Bravos from Blockbuster was greater than alpha from doubtful. Bravo from Blockbuster greater than alpha from, I forgot. Bravo from Blockbuster, alpha from doubtful. Bravo from Blockbuster, alpha from doubtful. Bravo is more than alpha. No, it is not. So this is Bravo is greater than, no, not correct. And this is what is asked. So this should be my answer. So the other should be correct. Let's confirm it. Bravo and Charlie had the same revenue from No Hope. No Hope, B and C. No Hope, B and C, they had the same revenue. Yes, they had the same revenue. So one sentence is left. Why leave it? The total revenue from No Hope was less than the total from Doubtful. No Hope was less from Doubtful. No Hope total 15 was less than Doubtful. Doubtful is obviously 29, right? So that is also true. So that is how this set gets done.